In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Merge Queue feature on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The Merge Queue feature on GitHub is an excellent tool that helps streamline the merging process, especially when you're collaborating with others. It allows for a more organized workflow and can save you a lot of time. Now to get started, you'll need to log into your GitHub account. So, let's begin by navigating to the website. Open your web browser and go to github.com. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. But if you're new to GitHub, go ahead and sign up. Make sure to verify your email, as that's essential to fully activate your account and access all features. Once you're logged in, we need to proceed to the repository where you'd like to enable the Merge Queue feature. So, find your repositories by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select your repositories from the drop-down menu. Choose the specific repository you want to work with. Now that you're on the main page of that repository, look at the menu right at the top. You'll see several tabs, including Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and so on. Here we want to navigate to the Settings tab. It's usually located towards the right side of the menu, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Settings page, you're going to scroll down a bit. Look for a section called General. It might take a moment to find, but don't worry, I'm sure you'll spot it. As you near the bottom of the General Settings page, keep an eye out for an option that says something like Allow Auto Merge. This is where we'll enable the functionality for the Merge Queue. When you find that option, simply check the box next to it. After you've checked that box, it's crucial to remember one last step. You need to save your changes. Look for the button at the bottom of the Settings page that says Save Changes or something similar. Click on that to ensure that the Merge Queue is activated for your repository. And that's it. You now have the Merge Queue enabled for your repository on GitHub. This feature will help you manage pull requests more effectively by queuing them up for merging automatically, which is especially useful if you have a lot of collaborators or active contributions. If you run into any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to help you troubleshoot. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more GitHub tips and tricks.